Folks, Pat Kalmerton. We are down at the Wisconsin Ice Fishing Expo down at the EEA Grounds in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. But we're going to look at the new Predator. This thing is it's different, right? So it's an auto-setting device, but yet is it? You can use it however you want. So right here is what's really cool. You have a little hook right here that you can take right on the inside of the rod tip. All right. Now I'm going to bring it all the way up and I'm going to lock it. Right. So when I say lock it, this is what's different about this device than anything else. I can move it around, I can clang it around. I'm not getting snapped in the face, I'm not getting hit in the fingertips, anything else, right? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this flag, I'm gonna put it down right there. That way I have an indicator from a distance. I'm going to take it, and this is how I'm going to set it. So all the way back is for bigger minnows. If I'm going for pike, whatever, I can come halfway up for walleyes. If I'm going to perch fish, put it way on the end and it's going to be sensitive, right? So right now I'm just going to go mid, going to hit it, flag goes up. Now I'm fighting that fish on the rod itself instead of on a tip-up or anything else, right? But in the state of Wisconsin, you can use a hook setting device. If I'm going over to Minnesota, North Dakota, anything like that, where I can't use a hook setting device, I'm going to pull that pin, I'm going to pull this one, go to where it's already stored, pop it forward just like so, right? So now I'm going to bring my flag down. I'm going to set it just like the other one, where I'm going to go all the way back on there. I'm going to bring some more out. There's a little slit right in that plastic right there, just like that. I'm going to bring it up again. Now you can see that the rod has zero tension on the rod. There's slack there, right? So this is not a hook setting device at that point. Fish takes off. Now I just got a tip up, I got either a free spool, I got a bait feeder, whatever the case may be. I'm gonna go over to the rod, set the hook, and here we go!
So how do you do that again?
All right, so I'm gonna come down through right here. See that hook right there?
Oh, that one.
I'm gonna lock it right down.
And your sensitivity.
I'm gonna go all the way back. Now it's locked because it's behind that sleeve.
Yep.
As soon as I want to bring it up, I'm going to come in front of the sleeve. So my sensitivity is right here on that sleeve. So farther back, the more it takes, the farther up.
Yep.
If you breathe on it wrong, it goes. But when you bring it all the way down to the sensitivity, I mean right there, don't breathe on it. Now hit it. You're going to see how light it is.
Yeah.
There's like
That's
zero
fucking
tension.
nice.
That is beautiful. If I'm fishing perch out on the perimeter of where I'm fishing, now all of a sudden I got a fish over there. I'm gonna go over there, catch that fish on that rod. Now I'm gonna fish over those holes. So every hole that I drill, I'll drill 3 or 4 of them depending on how many buddies. Let's say if 3 of us go fishing, I'm gonna have 3 holes there. They take off over here, now it's a feeding frenzy. All those fish go over there because one fish starts eating, the rest of them start eating. We start jigging down those holes. Now also one takes off over there. I'm gonna take the time to set this and then go over there and fish those. Or my friends are gonna go over, maybe rotation. You know, you two go over there, start catching fish. I'll get this reset because this is my scouting device.
Yep.
Boom!